Huh? Oh. This is looks like an old abandoned farm.
For cheese.
See, the windows open up there. This is abandoned.
Yeah, no, this is what was the Tillamook sign. So they probably had dairy cows.
Now they have dairy cow picture up there. It was a Tillamook cheese factory thing. What's that? What is that? Look. It's like someone's been here. Look right there's a headlamp or something. I'm gonna go grab it and see what it is. If it was electric, it'd be arcing. They're touching. It's not on. I will. It's not. Told you. I know enough from being out at Larry's. I knew that. Yep. Oops, sorry you guys. Got all the jumping around. This is kind of creepy that someone's headlamp is out here. I think that's what that is. Oh no, what is that? Oh, it is a headlamp. Look at this. That is one creepy house. I'm gonna go see if I can get in. And we'll do the outbuildings too. Let's see if any of the doors are open. Natalie's gonna check that door. Is it locked? They don't break in. We might not be able to get in, but we'll see. I'll try this back door. And the house is just rotten. All the what? Oh, look at that hasn't even been, these are brand new paintbrushes. Oh, it's open. We can get in. We're in. Hello? Anybody in here? Nope, nobody's in here. Oh, there's like holes, big giant holes in here. After we go in. I have to turn my light on. Oh, I will be. What is that?
Oh, wow.
I know. This floor's fine. I can build. This floor's good. Oh, what's that? I don't know.
What? Oh, it's, yeah, there's baby rays.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah, right there.
This is the kitchen. Oh, someone loved in here.
Yeah, and there's a thing on the front that says,
Look at these. Look at these. Oh, there's a fidget widget thing. Right down there. I don't take anything. This was outside. I'm gonna leave it in here. Oh, it works still. That means somebody was here not that long ago.
yeah, that's interesting.
Look at these cupboards. That's raw wood. I mean, it's been coated, but someone hand built these.
Now, some of these spots look like they might not be very safe.
Look at that.
You can't go over far.
I am. You don't have to. I've done this before. I know what I'm doing. You stay on the beams when you get... Oh, wow. Someone just was stealing the floor, maybe. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is the living room. This was a nice house once. Look, they got the wood stove. Nice wood stove.
Oh, these are nice floors.
Yeah.
I wonder what they were pulling it up for. They were trying to fix
All this trash was under the couch. Oh, and this is nice. What does it say? Daughter's address. Oh, wow. What does it say? In Texas. It kind of feels kind of creepy-ish in here. A what now?
There's like a bathroom over here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I can see. Maybe they were looking for gold in here. That's why they pulled it up.
Or they had a leak. You can see right here, it's all messed up.
Is that like one of those little center things?
It could be, or it could be a shower wand. I'm going to go back there and find out. See, they had rot.
Here.
That's why they were putting the...
Oh.
They were putting the...
Just go this way.
I got it.
Yeah, careful.
They had some rotten wood problems. This is a bathroom. Someone was like, oh, wow. It's not just a bathroom, it goes into a bedroom. Looks like they were remodeling. The nasty toilet, sorry guys, have to show it. Medicine cabinet. It's weird that every cupboard's open. That's usually a ghost sign. It's what, hot water heater. There's like 2 bedrooms that go to this bathroom. Really? And it has big windows in this one. I think this might have been a walk-in closet. It was. A big giant walk-in closet. I took a film. I filmed it.
Ew. Look at that bathroom.
Wow. Yeah, they had a lot of water damage. Someone was remodeling this and didn't finish. I'm gonna... Huh? I know, it's cool, huh? And then this must be the master bedroom. Look at this.
Oh, yeah. That connects to the hallway.
Oh, and look at the windows, though. The French doors. No graffiti. That's really cool.
Yeah, it's like out in the middle of nowhere.
And nowhere to pull off, really. I'm glad you saw that pull off. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, you guys?
Oh, that's French doors, huh?
Uh-huh. They're old French doors.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even know how you open them. They're like windows. I think they're windows. Someone put them in it later.
Oh.
They're not actually French doors. I'm going to go upstairs. Let me go upstairs, you guys. This is for you. Let's check her out. Oh, wow. There's an old fancy table up here.
Really?
Looks like it's, I don't know, maybe it's made out of plastic. No, that's wood. Hello, is anybody here? I'm just an explorer, taking videos.
Are you going in there?
Hello?
Oh, hi.
Hello? Oh my God. Oh wow. Look at this. Broken mirror. Oh man, there's some old furniture up here. Let's see. No, big rat's nest in there. Kids' toys. Look at those spider webs. Look at that. There's some low ceilings in here. This was a nice house once. Look at that. These walls. That's not real wood. It's wood paneling. But it looks a really nice job. Oh, there's some kissy lips. How, did you close this door? Natalie? You didn't close this door? No. How'd the door close?
I don't know. But there's a baby picture right here. This is really creepy.
I got a little creeped out downstairs.
Look at this.
Oh, it goes up again.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh shit, that scared me. Oh, look at that.
And then look in here. Is that just covering a window?
Yeah. Yeah.
It smells like pee in this room.
Looks like they have animals in here.
And there's like, I haven't looked in here because I'm kind of scared, but in this
oh, look at that. Let me get that. Look at that. It's an opening right there.
Watch out for the spiders. I want to open it, but I'm scared.
Just a closet.
I wonder if that pee smell is from rats.
It could be. Oh, one of those old big TVs, the first flat screens. Oh, look at this. This is a bed frame.
Yeah. A headboard.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit.
What? Oh. Oh, let me go. Let me reach up in there. Let me get the light.
Oh, there's area right there, too.
Oh, there's a rope. Look at the rope.
Yeah. It's holding something. It's holding up the...
I don't know how good I'm getting this. Oh, wow. What is that? Oh, there's stuff up there. There's like a bunch of stuff up there.
Oh, yeah. Like someone's storage?
Yeah. Looks like. We'll see when we look at the video.
I gotta get out of here. It stinks.
Okay. I'm gonna try.
Oh, changing spots. It smells like piss so bad.
Oh. I wonder, oh, that must be for the electric, this right here, I think is for the electric, oh, feed manager. Wow. Oh, they have packing tape up here. Old TV. Let's look behind the door. What the hell is that? Sorry about the camera. I'm trying to hold this light and video at the same time. Oh, look at this door. That's a pretty wide door, isn't it? On that one storage? What is that? Trying to see what's in these red packets. No, it's hardware. They're what? They had guinea pigs or something. Because that's what that shredded bark stuff is.
Oh, this doesn't go anywhere. This is just a spot. That's kind of weird.
It doesn't go upstairs again?
No. It's just...
Oh. What?
Look out this window.
Okay.
And to the right. No, to the right. It's like a skeleton on there. See that?
Oh, wow, it's a dog. Looks like it's a dog. Let me get this to where I can see it.
Where?
Let me look. With that. It looks like it's tied up.
Oh,
or there's a rope going through it.
Cow?
That's pretty big, huh?
Yeah.
But it's got canines.
Well, I mean...
A cow don't have canines.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
It looks like that's a rope, but it's going in its mouth. Oh no, it could be behind. It could have been around his neck. I bet they left their dog. We'll have to go out and look.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my god, what is that?
Come here, over here.
Look at
Does it
this.
look better?
Look at.
Here, I want to see.
You can still see that fur on.
Whoops, sorry, Nellie. There's still brown fur, huh? Let me see.
It looks so big. It has a big thing. It's not a horse?
No, it's not that big. Where is it at? I don't want to go through these spider webs.
He stuck his head out there. Can we go around the house and look
Yeah.
at it?
Oh, it's right down there. Where is it? No, I'm not getting it. It's right here, I see it. But I can't see it on my viewfinder. I still can't find it on my viewfinder. Where's my viewfinder? Right there. Okay, let's go this way. Alright, I'm not getting close enough to the house. There it is. What is that? Can anyone tell me what that is? I think it's a dog. But that's pretty big. Huh? I'm coming. Oh, I just got the shivers in here. It says Deb Bay. Did you see that?
No, what?
It says Deb Bay.
What?
Yeah. Let me make that small again.
I didn't see anything on the wall.
Right, look. Deb Bay.
Or Del Bay.
Oh, it could be Del Bay.
Oh, Lana Del Rey?
Del Bay. Lana Del Bay, maybe.
Can you see it from there?
Oh, I didn't see that. I thought the doors were off of this. Every cupboard is open in here. Oh, what's that? Oh, just tape.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's a dog, like a big dog.
Is it a goat?
No. Just they eat grass and... Uh-huh. Like they left it tied up. That is totally not...
Mom, did you see this thing over here? Look, right down there.
Oh.
See that? Over there in the
That's a
corner?
horn.
Yeah, it's a horn.
Wow. This table's pretty cool, huh? And nothing's around here?
No.
Just
an area. Hey, are you closing the door?
Ah! I just got spider webs.
Did you close it?
The door closed, huh? It closed on me.
It's the wind.
There's no wind. We gotta go get the outbuildings.
Yeah.
I might stop this one when we come out of the house so that they're not all too long. I get a little creepy vibe here. Not a bad one.
Really bad.
But I did in that room where that dead thing is outside.
I bet that dog is trying to get back home. Wants to know where it's going.
Nice wood floors. Really nice. See, someone was trying to fix the floors and stuff, I think. Oh, shit. That door's not hooked. Just scared myself. Oh, and that's a closet door right there. Looks like. They must have some harsh water in here. In the shower. Someone took the shower head, it looks like. That was a nasty toilet. We were just driving down the road and saw this place. Diaper disposal bags. They had a baby here. I think they had water damage. Someone was trying to fix it. At one point, someone was going to fix it. Okay, I'm gonna end this one. And I'm going to turn it back on when we get out to the outbuilding. Fire extinguisher. The full thing of paint. The thing's full. I think it's very old. Oh, there's another one. This one is high hiding white. That one's full too. You know what? They got 2 full gallons of high hiding white paint and paintbrushes here. They haven't even been opened. Yeah, they had a baby here. Okay, we're going to go out to these outbuildings. I'm going to turn you off and turn you back on, because I don't want this video to be too long. It's already 20 minutes.